Well, hello, Tim Crosby here, and you can see I've got a guitar in my lap, and so we're going to do a guitar piece today. It's called Billy in the Lowground, and I got to thinking about it, and my recollection is it's the very first fiddle tune that I ever worked out laboriously on flat pick guitar by listening to the record over and over and over. Well, that's, yeah. But you have the advantage of my work, and you don't have to turn the record back and listen to it over and over. So, Billy in the Lowground. Oh, one other little thing, bit of shameless self-promotion. A little while ago, I thought that the title of the tune, Billy in the Lowground, there should be some kind of a story. So I wrote a song to go with it, and you can find that also. Tabbed it out for you. You can find that tab easily of my arrangement of Billy in the Lowground. Let me play it for you, and then we'll talk about some of the little ins and outs of it. So you might have noticed there are some interesting little easy things that you can do to spruce up the tune that a lot of times it's just basically played. And that's an interesting thing. But let me just walk it through step at a time. Instead of just going straight to the and then here's another one of those little chromatic. And then here's something I picked up from Byron Berline's fiddle version of it. Do that again for you. It's on the tab. So that's some of the interesting stuff in the A part. In the B part, now in bluegrass guitar playing, I run into several ways of approaching what the chords are. So sometimes it's always C and A minor, and sometimes it's always C and F. So I've got an F lick for you, and I've got an A minor lick for you. But it always starts out and then we're going to go to an F chord here in a D form so that we can do that cross-picking thing. And here's a cool lick that I picked up from Rogers somebody or other back in 1980. It's on the tab, but here's how the fingering works. Yeah. after we do the F chord, we do the second half of the B part. And then we get an A minor here and just do the cross picking. And then sort of a Billy Stringsy ending phrase. And there you have it, Billy and the Lowground. Glad you were here. I'll see you next time.